Welcome to today's deep dive. When you look at a slick corporate conference room, your eyes go straight to the shiny tech, right?
Oh, absolutely. You're looking at those sleek 4K cameras silently tracking the speaker.
Exactly. You definitely aren't looking at the heavy chunk of metal bolting them to the wall. But today, based on the specs you shared with us, we're looking at the HuddleCamHD HCM-2-WH wall mount. And we want to figure out why a seemingly simple white bracket carries a price tag of $139.
Yeah, because on the surface, I mean, paying over $100 for a piece of bent metal sounds completely absurd.
It really does.
But the core function here isn't just, holding a camera in the air. It's actually entirely about vibration isolation.
Right, because if you're mounting a camera above a giant plasma screen or one of those thin profile monitors, you are constantly fighting building vibration.
Oh, constantly. The HVAC system kicking on, people just walking down the hall, or like the elevator rumbling.
Yeah, which is where the physics of this specific mount come into play, right?
Exactly. So it's built from heavy gauge steel and weighs a very solid 2.8 pounds. And that mass is crucial.
Wait, almost 3 pounds for just a bracket?
Yeah, it acts as a dampener. The heavy steel absorbs and neutralizes those high-frequency microvibrations before they can even reach the camera lens.
Which, I mean, it makes total sense when you think about it like building a house. You can go out and buy a top-of-the-line camera.
One of those fancy PTZ models.
Yeah, the ones that zoom all the way across a boardroom. But if your foundation shakes every time someone walks past the door, your video feed is going to look like it was shot on a roller coaster.
Totally. A microscopic vibration at the base translates to massive nausea-inducing camera shake on the other end of the call.
So that heavy mass solves the vibration problem completely.
It does. But hanging 3 pounds of solid steel perfectly level on drywall sounds like an absolute nightmare for the installer.
Oh, for sure. If the holes are drilled even a millimeter off, your entire shot is crooked forever.
Right. And that brings us to the actual engineering of the bracket.
Mm.
The mounting holes on this thing are slotted and opposed by 90 degrees.
So, like, one set of slots goes horizontally and the other set goes vertically.
Precisely. It gives the installer dual-axis leveling.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you get horizontal and vertical play to just nudge it into perfect alignment. Whether you're using the included anchors to attach it straight to drywall or, mounting it over a standard double-wide electrical box.
It's like a two-gang wall box.
Exactly. You can get it completely flat before you tighten it down. Plus, it's universally compatible with all center mount cameras.
Okay, but wait. Looking at these specs you send over, I noticed something wild.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the marketing copy has this glaring contradiction right on the page. The big, bold bullet point at the top proudly advertises that it's made in the USA and comes with a 10-year warranty.
Okay, right.
But if you scroll down into the weeds of the detailed spec sheet under service and support, it suddenly says limited warranty - 3 years. So which one is it?
Yeah, that is a massive discrepancy.
Yeah.
I mean, you shared a page from a site boasting over 10,000 positive reviews.
Right. They're huge.
They have a massive catalog, thousands of matrix switchers and complex AV setups. But even on an established, trusted site, these conflicts just slip through.
Maybe the manufacturer updated the warranty to 3 years and the marketing header never got refreshed. Or vice versa.
Exactly. And it definitely makes you wonder if you'd actually be covered in year 4 if a weld suddenly snapped.
It really does. It's a huge red flag.
And that contradiction proves a great point. Whether you are bolting a heavy piece of steel to a wall or navigating an e-commerce checkout, you have to read the fine print.
You really do.
You always want to verify those warranty terms directly with the seller before pulling out your credit card.
For sure. So ultimately, this powder-coated mount does offer a rugged, vibration-resistant solution. It uses shear mass to solve a very real physics problem for AV installers.
Yeah.
You just have to navigate the paperwork carefully.
You do. But it does leave you with a lingering thought to mull over. When we design and build these high-end tech environments, are we really paying for the advanced technology itself? Or are we mostly paying a premium for the absolute peace of mind that our expensive gear won't vibrate itself to pieces or, literally fall off the wall?